Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Halimat Saadia binti Drasat with matrix number 09DKM20F1023. I as one as the presenter would like to present about our final year project. I will present about our group final year project, which is to develop garbage collector tool by using green technology for use on Kampung Senibong beach. We are from DKM17. Our group supervisor is Puan Irina binti Abdullah, and these are the members of my group consisting of Elson Ki Jung Ho, Muhammad Khairi Asnawi, Hasrul bin Sukarno, and myself. This is a project sketching that has been chosen by our group members. This is the abstract of our final year project. First is it difficult to clean the beach due to its large and vast area? The second is beach cleaning tool or machine that are too expensive and use a lot of human resource. Next is to create a garbage collector that is easy to use and maintain and can be motivate the community to use it and user-friendly using a green and mobile technology. The fourth is easy operation for all age level for beach cleaning purpose. The last one is have a positive impact on beach visitor because of the way they are used and it affordable and easy to maintain. The next slide is about the problem statement. So the first one is beach visitor did not use the facilities wisely. Second is various waste cleaning equipment used for cleaning work. And the last one is cleaning the beach area take a long time by using the manual method. Objective for this project is developing beach garbage collector tool on the beach for facilitated and friendly use to the user at beach. Number 2 is save time and energy of cleaning crew. Number 3 is collecting some small garbage such as plastic cans, box water, and food waste.
Morning to all panel, I'm Anson Jin Hong, now matric 09DKM-F1007. Universally to the scope of our project, the size of our project is a height 0.92 meter, width 1.1 meter, and length 1.1 meter. Next, for target user of our garbage collector is for beach visitor and resident nearby. The concept used in our project is green technology concept, bicycle change concept, and rotational movement concept. Nextly is literature review. First, the concept of garbage collection robot. This robot uses a flag sensor and servo motor. The function of flag sensor is it will bend indicating if there is garbage in front of it. Secondly, using solar sensor in garbage collector. The solar power is the main source of energy used in the machine. Third, battery powered garbage collector at the beach. This tool is powered by 12-volt acid plumber battery which supply power to the motor. Lastly, using mobile phone control on garbage collector. It will make the garbage collector more easier to use and conduct simple command to garbage collector from the mobile phone. Therefore, the methodology of our project. First of all, spur gear. The function of gear is to move the shaft sprocket to increase the rotational speed. Next, sprocket is used to transmit rotation movement between two shafts. Third, change. The change will be attached with teeth to lift the garbage at the beach and bring it to the rubbish bag. Lastly, conveyance system. It is a load system and high efficient system. It also will fulfill the conveyor and ensure no loss. As the table shows, it shows the table of costs that apply in our project. It includes change, hollow steel, sprocket, saw and blade, bearing, spray, washer, bolt and nut, grinder blade and chalk, and all of the printings. Its total cost around 275 ringgit. This is our final engineering drawing after few changes. As I mentioned at methodology before, it contains conveyance system, change, sprocket, and spur gear. It also shows the dimension of each part in details.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hasrul bin Sukarno, matric number 09DKM20F1802. Today I will explain about the assemble process. The first process is measurement. The process is measured by making a line using a chalk according to dimension. Next process is cut wedge grinder. This process is we cut the hollow made steel based on the line After cut using grinder, we will weld using MIG. Next process is manufacture tire fork. For this process, we use angle bar and then we cut at the mid of angle bar and then we make a hole and fabricate to insert the tire. Next process is manufacture bearing housing. The steel that we use is solid round bar, diameter 52 mm, and then we use lathe machine to make housing. The first step is we use center drill and then drill diameter 19 mm, and then the process of boring. The process boring is we boring until last diameter of the bearing. Next process is assembly chain. For this process, we use two chain and four sprocket. This sprocket and chain will connect on the shaft, and then we are using bolt and nut for the left and right. Next is the chain will weld on the flat bar. Next process is installation hook. For this process, this hook will weld on the flat bar which are connect on the chain and sprocket. Next is assembly tire and gear. For this process, we are used two gearbox motorcycle which one gearbox are connect on the sprocket and chain, and one side of gear are connect on the shaft tire to make a rotation to rotate the gear, and then will transfer for the sprocket and chain. Next process is installation of garbage plates. For this process, we use iron finger and then weld on the frame to insert the bucket. For the bucket, we put in plastic. For the last process is finishing. For this process, we use spray to spray all part of the tool, such as handle, frame, hook, and tire. This is final result of the project. The preliminary data that we have analysis, we got some respondent based on the question given. The first question is, have you ever seen a garbage trolley on the beach? The answer that respond is 65% for no and 35% for yes. Next question is, what kind of garbage have you ever seen on the beach? The answer is 36% for tin and box, 25% for food container, 27% for container plastic, and last is 12 for bottle. Next question is, what are the common beach cleaning method? So the answer is 33% to pick up using the hand, 25 to communal work, and 11 for using a trash tool and throwing the garbage into the garbage bin. The last is 8%. 8% is garbage collection worker on the beach. Next question is, what is your opinion about the facilities of garbage collector trolley on the beach? The answer is 37% for easy to clean beach area and 27% easy to use, 18 for safe the environment and useful and can provide benefit. Next question is, do you feel this garbage collector trolley can make the community work easier to collect garbage on the beach? The answer is 100%. Yes. The last question is the garbage collector trolley suitable for beach cleaning? The answer is 60% for yes and 40% for no. For the analysis and finding, we have made comparison by using rubbish collector and by using manual tool. For the area of cleaning rubbish at Kampung Senibong, Johor Bahru, we have 5 meter for length and 2 meter for weight. Time taken using garbage collector is 11 seconds and using manual tool is 154 seconds.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hari Asawi Rosli. My matrix number is 09DKM20F1015. Today I will explain about discussion and improvement that we can do to our project. Firstly is drive tire. There is a problem with the drive tire causing the garbage collector to not be able to collect garbage smoothly. The improvement that we can do is drill the sprocket hole in the center evenly. Secondly is chain. When the chain is working, there will be sand stuck in the gap of the chain causing is to interfere with the rotation when operating the garbage collector. The improvement that can be done is to make a cover on the chain to prevent sand from getting stuck on the chain. Thirdly is sprocket hole. The problem is sprocket hole not drill flush with side hole causing slack in chain tension during garbage collector movement. The improvement that can be done is to make accurate measurement when drilling the sprocket and when installing the sprocket on the shaft. Next is back tire. The problem is the back tire is problematic, which cause the movement to be uneven due to unstable position of the bearing. The improvement that can be do is place the bearing stably and in the right place so that the tire can be moved smoothly. Next is trash rake. The rake position is too far and soft, which make it impossible to rake heavy garbage and cause difficulty when raking garbage. The improvement that can be do is to place the garbage rake close, and the garbage rake must be hard and smooth so that it can easily rake the garbage. Lastly is tire. The problem is the highly uneven sand area difficult during the movement of the garbage collector trolley. The improvement that can be do is install absorber on each tire to stabilize the movement of the garbage collection trolley. For conclusion for our project is, throughout this project was carried out, the product result are the status and effort of the construction and production process that start from the draft until the final product is finished. It encourage creativity, innovation project, and improving existing project to be more affordable and user-friendly with new technology, which is green technology. This innovation of garbage collector is made easy to use, harmless, and ergonomic. This project has the potential to be brought to the market to help community clean up coastal areas. Next, it can also reduce the use human labor, and the cleaning process can be done faster than using broom and shovel. The positive impact on the environment is environmentally friendly because this garbage collector does not emit toxin, odor, and noises that damage the environment. In addition, they are having some improvement may apply to the garbage collector to make it better. While the garbage collector is moving, we observe that the part of the tire having some issue that causes the movement of the garbage collector not smooth. So we have an idea to make improvement by putting absorber on each tire so that it can be moved smoothly without any problem while garbage collector function. In addition to the chain part, on the chain part, the improvement that can be do is to install a cover on the chain part to prevent bench sand from getting stuck on the chain part, so that is can move smoothly. The reference for our project is that we use book and website such as James P. Barber, Jones Barber, Thinner Ranking Device, International Journal of Engineering, Management and Applied Science and Technology. Next, K. Gupta, R.S. Kurmi, 2016, a textbook of machine design. Then, Ritika Pahuja, Narendra Kumar, 2014, International Journal of Scientific Engineering and Research. Android mobile phone control Bluetooth robot using 8051. Microcontroller volume 2 issue 7. Then Arthur Bradford Rabbit, 2018, Forgotten Books Spurgia. Then Brian Pentello, 2015, Penwork Publishing, Sprocket and the Poison Portal, Sprocket Sagas. Then Sheldon Brown, 2010, Change from Harris Cycle, Change for Multi-Speed Derailleur Bikes. Next, Josh Bound, 2019, Modern Material Handling Magazine, New Conveyor, Increase Efficiency and Route Out. Then, the link of website from YouTube. That's all from me and my team BKN70 for presentation about develop garbage collector tool by using green technology for use on Kampung Senibong Beach. And thank you for watching this video. Bye.